Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the items that KADSNAILART sent me. We have the nail polish shade Whispering Winds, Orchid Mist, Lemon Zest Jelly Nail Polish, Min 031 Stamping Plate, Geometry 016 Stamping Plate, and a nail stamping polish in the shade of Salmon. If you guys want to try these out, just visit KADSNAILART.com and use my 10% discount coupon code KADSHoneycrunch321. I'll be posting my swatch reels for the nail polishes soon, and I'll be doing 2 full-length videos for the stamping plates. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!